We are going to learn to use a double number line. It helps us to graphically represent proportional magnitudes. We know what 6 Easter eggs cost, and that 3 would cost half, and 12 would cost twice that amount. The number of eggs and their prices are directly proportional magnitudes. On one of the lines, we mark the number of eggs, 6. On the other line, under the 6, we write the amount that needs to be paid for those eggs, which is $42. We are only going to buy 4. How much will they cost? An easy way to do this is to calculate the price of a single egg first. What operation must be done to know what an egg costs? How much does 1 egg cost? What do we need to multiply by to know how much 4 eggs cost? Great job! How much do 4 eggs cost? Great! Let's take a look at the relationship between the lines. The numbers on the bottom line are the ones from the top line multiplied by the same amount. $7, the price of 1 egg. This amount is called a proportionality constant.